What if I told you that I got my US visa accepted before even completing my grade 12? Or what if I told you that an international student in US can actually invest in stocks, earn good money, and can be financially responsible? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real, and I've done both. So let's study, invest, grow, and repeat. Hi, I'm Enric Bosnet. I'm originally from Nepal, studying computer science here at University of Houston, Texas. This video is for students like you who are ambitious, confused, and trying to figure things out. Whether it's about studying abroad, managing money, or learning how to invest, I've got you. A little bit about me. Back in Nepal, I studied science in plus 2, just like many of you. The dream of going abroad was always there, but how to apply, how much would it cost, and where do I start was always overwhelming for me. I remember how confusing it was. There was no any clear guidance. I had to figure out most of them on my own. But now that I've made it here, I want to give it back by sharing the experiences with the people that are about to start the same journey as me right now. But this video isn't just about learning or university life. It's also about something that most students ignore, that is money. I actually started learning stock and investment 4 years ago while I was back in Nepal. And this is interesting that I started learning this because I got scammed by some sketchy stock investment group, and that's what made me dive into the world of stocks. Back in Nepal, it was really hard to find good information on investment, or it was really hard to invest in Nepal, but here in US it's more accessible. So I realized, why aren't students talking about this? Why aren't students trying to invest or save money? This channel is for helping people like me who are ambitious but confused. So here's what you can expect. Everything about study abroad, like how to apply, what are the documents required, costs, when you come to the US, how to do transfers, and how to succeed in your bachelor's, internships, jobs, and everything. Second, we'll be talking about investment for beginners to intermediate level, like what are the stocks, how do we apply, what are the applications to invest, how do we make the broker account, and so on. And third most, we'll be talking about some personal growth content. We'll be making some university vlogs, and we'll be enjoying in the channel. So before I end this video, let me give you 3 quick tips for anyone who is trying to study abroad. Number 1, start early. Applying takes more time than you think. Be ready with your transcripts, financial documents, SOP, and so on. I actually got my visa accepted before I completed my grade 12. And that's what I'll be talking about in my next upcoming video. So if you are curious about that, stay tuned. Number 2, don't chase hype. Pick your country and university based on your goals, not just trends. Not just because your friend went to X place means you should go too. Number 3, be ready mentally. Life in abroad can be exciting but also challenging at the same time. You need your dedication and hard work, not just the paperwork. Now, if you are already in the abroad, it's a perfect time to learn money and finance. No one will teach you unless you do it yourself. If this video sounds like a journey that you're interested in, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. We are going to learn, succeed, and grow together. Thank you for watching. I am Enric, and I'll see you in the next video. ब्लूपर ब्लूपर बनाओ क्या